शेनवारा सांगात संस्थेन जागतिक भलायकी दिसा निमतान वेगवेगळ्यो सांस्कृतिक कार्यावळी मनयल्यो. सांगात ही गोंयची ऑटिझम भुरग्यांक आसरो दिवपी खासा संस्था आसा. RDX खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनवाली.
I brought you some bananas. I brought you some apples. I brought you some mangoes.
Come old friend, the match is tomorrow. You haven't come for practice in 3 weeks. Why are you sitting here when your friends are waiting for you?
I heard the wind muttering about peace. I heard the water offering promises of sleep.
Come buddy, let's sit on the ground. We can't do without you, you know.
The theme of World Health Day is on depression, but it's not only depression. It's depression, let's talk. And I think that is what was highlighted in the play so perfectly well. There were many characters, and many characters had different stresses. There was somebody who was going for a divorce. There was someone who had lost his job, and he needed to look out for some more jobs. And there were others who couldn't digest what was happening around them, like he had twins and he was just wondering what to do with that. So many stresses in their lives. But different people, there was this nurse who like, you know, I'm a doctor, I'm working at the Goa Medical College, and I get these smells every now and then. And it's how you deal with it. And those different characters dealt with it differently. And when they came together and when they talked, there was magic. And that was the result. I think that's the essence of the whole play, is that, and it's captured it so well, is that these things can happen to anyone. And if there is depression in a family, it can affect others. The message is the message of hope. The message is that if somebody does have depression, there is help, and help is available. Very often, the solutions are within us. And that's the message that we have to give.
We need to be attentive to the people who are around us, because depression can hit anybody. And fortunately, in Goa, we still have friends. We still have people who make time for us. And of course, there are times when a problem is perhaps intractable. But if we are aware of what's happening, we can refer people to somebody who's trained. So really thank you for giving us the opportunity to think about mental health, and this theme is something that we hadn't really touched upon earlier.